This is HeyJay Stylexio. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe, and if you're old, just please don't forget to share the video with your friends and your loved ones. And then if you love my tutorials, please give me a thumbs up. I have so many tutorials. Just check on my channel list and then you'll see so many tutorials. So today we'll be learning how to make our basic sleeve. And for our basic sleeve, we have our front sleeve is different from our back sleeve. So you're going to be learning because the back armhole of our bodies is different from the front armhole of our bodies. So you're going to learn how to make a sleeve that has both front and back armhole different. So join me in the work table. Let's get started. So for sleeve making, just fold your pattern or your fabric, place it on fold like this. Okay. Then whatever your armhole depth is, add 2 inches to it. So the armhole of this person is 8 inches plus 2 is 10. So whatever yours is, just add 2 inches to this. This is what many instructors will not tell you, or designers will not tell you. They just tell you use 10, use 11. So how do you really achieve this? So it's your armhole plus 2 inches, armhole depth plus 2 inches. Then you come down, your armhole depth divided by 2. So this person's armhole depth is 8, divided by 2 is 4. Just mark it like this. Connect here to this point. So this is it. So this line now, you can just draw this line down. Let's just note this is where the line ends. Okay. So this line now, we're dividing it into 4 equal parts. So you measure the line. This is 11, dividing into 4 equal parts. So you just use your tape rule like this, and then like this. So into 4 equal parts is 2.75. So just mark 2.75, 2.75, 2.75. So this is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. This is the 4 equal parts. So on this first part, so let's say 1, 2, 3. This first part now, this point 1 now, you go up by 1 inch. Just mark it up. Go up by 1 inch. This second part, you do nothing, just asterisk it. Then this down part, you come down by ½ inch. So what you just do is, from here, just draw a line connecting this 1 inch to this center, so this half, and then to the end point of your armhole of the armhole. So this is how you do it. But we're using this pattern now to cut front and back. So this is how we construct the front sleeve. But the back sleeve, you don't need to come down deep, because don't forget that for your basic bodies, your front sleeve, it comes inward then outward, while your back sleeve just comes like this. So this is the inwards now on the sleeve of the armhole of the sleeve, and the armhole of the bodies, the inward movement. So it aligns when you join them together. So this outward, we have to do it for the back. So because we folded our fabric into our paper into 2, we want to cut for back and front. So we'll cut the outward first, then we can now open it and cut the inward. So when doing that, this point 2 will come up by ½ inch. So you just connect it from this same 1 inch up. Don't forget, we divided this line into 4 equal parts. Then we tag it 1, 2, 3, or you can tag it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. But this is 4 equal parts. So this first part we went up by 1 inch. This second part we didn't take any, we just asterisk it. Then this third part we came down by ½ inch. So came from this edge to the 1 inch to this middle to the ½ inch, and then here this is how to construct the front armhole. So then for the back armhole, this point now, this half inch now, this midpoint will come up by half inch. So just from here to this 1 inch to the half, and then straight down to the edge. So this is what we'll cut following the first one. Then for your sleeve, you just take your sleeve length, wherever you want your sleeve to stop. This sleeve length, and let's say we're using 11, and the roundness at 11 is sleeve length that is from your shoulder to where you want your sleeve to stop is your sleeve length. Then on that place where your sleeve is stopping, put the tape around it and know the roundness. So let's say the roundness of this place is 10, or 8 divided or 16 divided by 2 is 8, or let's say 14 divided by 2 is 7. So this is 7. So the round sleeve is 7. You just connect from here to the round sleeve, and then you join here back. So this is how to make your basic sleeve. So we're going to cut this pattern now, following this up one first. And when you're cutting on fabric, don't forget to add hemming allowance. So you measure from here to how many inch you want for hemming allowance, and then sewing allowance at the side as well. So pay attention to the cutting. So I'm going by the back armhole pattern cutting first. And this is it. So after cutting this out now, so both of them are same, I can now reshaping this part now. So this part of the sleeve now will go to the front of the dress, while this part will go to the back of the dress. So this midpoint is where you put at the shoulder joining. Then from this, there is the back and the front bodies now where it's joining each other. This where you put it. You can just notch it when you want to sew on fabric. Just notch here to know the midpoint. Then you pin here to the joining where the front and back shoulder joins. Pin it. Then you pin here around the armhole of the front. Pin here around the armhole of the back. So you can see that the front, when we're constructing the armhole of the front came down. If you check and then watch the tutorial on how to construct basic bodies, you see that the armhole of the front came down, while the armhole of the front back is straight. So this is it. This is how to construct your basic sleeve. How did you enjoy this video? I'd love you to give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this tutorial, and it's very easy. Making your basic sleeve is very easy. So I'll be dropping a video soon, a tutorial soon, on how to make your complete bodice block sewing on fabric. So then I'll be using the pattern from our previous tutorial to cut on fabric the bodies, and then use this pattern to cut the sleeve, and I'll be joining it together. You don't want to miss it, so please subscribe to the channel so you get updates on everything we'll be doing here. You're really gonna enjoy yourself here. So I hope you just make your pattern, and let's see how it goes. And don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Have a lovely day.